This is not a drill. General Motors has built a 670 horsepower, 600 revolutions per minute, mid-engine monster with all of the trimmings of European prestige for less than the cost of a base model Porsche 911. If you've got around $100,000 burning a hole in your pocket, for God's sake, put your name down for a 2023 Chevy Corvette Z06. There is no replacement, electric or otherwise, for this kind of car. It grips, accelerates, and brakes like nothing I've ever driven. I didn't have as much seat time as I might have liked, just a few hours, but I can tell you that this is probably the moment a lot of exotic European automakers have been fearing for a long time. All the huge changes that came with the 8th generation Corvette no longer feel like they were done primarily to make the regular Stingray better. It feels like they all happened to make this Z6 impossible to touch. 2023 Chevrolet Corvette Z6 specs. Base price, $106,395. Powertrain, 5.5-liter flat-plane V8, 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, rear-wheel drive. Horsepower, 670 horsepower, 400 revolutions per minute. Torque, 460 pounds FT6, 300 revolutions per minute. 0 to 60 miles per hour, 2.6 seconds. Top speed, 195 miles per hour. Curb weight, 3,434 pounds C7 package. If you liked the video, please subscribe the channel and thanks for watching.